Hi class. Newsela is still a little bit new and I know some of you had trouble with it yesterday, so I just wanted to show you how to use the website. So once you're logged in, this is what your home screen should look like. You'll notice on the top of the page it says your assignments and explore. You want to make sure you're clicked on your assignments, and here you'll see the assignments from our last 7 days. We have our Thursday reading, Wednesday reading, Tuesday reading, and Monday reading. So if today is Tuesday, you're going to want to click on Tuesday. From there, you will see the instructions. First read the article, then take the quiz. You will take the quiz by clicking on activities on the right-hand side of the screen. And remember, you are allowed to look at the text while taking the quiz. Use the reading to help you do well on the quiz. So you need to click on it again, and then the article will open up. 10 things you can do to help save the earth. You need to read through the article. It tells you 10 different things you can do to help save the earth. When you're finished reading, you're going to come over to the right-hand side of the page, click Activities, click on Quiz, and there you will see the quiz questions. Remember, you have the text here to help you. Go back and look. Make sure you have the correct answers. When you are finished, you're going to use the information from this text today to help you with your writing. This just gave you 10 examples of ways you can help save the earth. Today, you need to choose at least 3 examples about the 3 best things you can do to help save the earth and use that in your writing today.